Did you know there's a place where making a single sound above a whisper means instant death? Level 412 appears on an endless Victorian library with towering bookshelves that stretch beyond sight. The overwhelming smell of ancient paper fills the air, but something feels terribly wrong. Your footsteps echo too loudly on the wooden floors, and suddenly you hear it, the sound of pages turning in perfect rhythm getting closer. The librarian has detected you, and enforces absolute silence through lethal means. You must immediately find felt shoe covers at the circulation desk, and learn the special breathing technique. All communication happens through hand signals only, and sound-dampening materials are mandatory on everything. But here's the deadliest rule. If you hear synchronized page turning all around you, you have seconds to live. You must ring the emergency bell despite the noise violation. Only that specific frequency can stop the librarian from removing your vocal cords with razor-sharp paper cuts. Fail, and you'll join the mummified, silenced readers, forever reading the same page with sealed mouths. Their eyes still move across the words for eternity,